What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we have the ball catch. All right, these are for closet doors and they go on top of your closet door. So if you have this style closet where it's two doors, you know, some closets are bifolds and some closets have these balls on the top, but unfortunately, you see how that clicks in? This side don't click. So to straighten that up, we have some new ones right here. Now this is simple. It screws up and down to the level that you need, and it screws right on top of your door. All right, so we got, I forgot, I think it was just two that came in the packet. Had these for a little while now. Now I'm just doing some diddle daddle stuff around the house. I can actually get to some work now. All right, and it also have the part where you put on top of your door and it catches it. But we already have it, so we don't need this part. These are silver, they are not gold. If I convert everything to matte black, I'm pretty sure it shouldn't matter. All right, it comes with the screws. All right, so if I convert everything to matte black, probably won't matter because you can barely see it. But if I convert everything to matte black, might as well get these matte black too, or I could just spray paint them black. All right, so let me show y'all how to install this, and then that will be it. Okay, you guys, so right now I'm going to be the one-handed bandit today. So I don't have nothing to, unless I put the camera over there on that stand, but I just want to show y'all this real quick. So you see how the ball is up, this ball is down. Now this may be just a simple fix, but I do have the new one just so y'all can check it out. So we're gonna unscrew it. Hopefully the screw don't fall. Please don't fall. Okay, we are good because we are magnetic. All right. Now once again, this may just be a simple adjustment. So if you're watching this video, I'm actually helping you to fix this adjustment. Unscrew, 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 and it's hot up in this bedroom. Sheesh. All right, so let's take this off and let's see what the problem really is. All right, you guys, so let me see if I could twist this. So I'm twisting it and it twists. So like I said, this might have just been a simple fix where it just need to be adjusted, or the threads can go bad, so this can go up and down. But for what I see, it's good. It just needed to be twisted. But I am going to put the new one on so y'all can just see how it goes on. Okay, you guys, I put the original ball back on just to show you if adjusting that will work, and let's see. And it is secured. All right, let me go ahead and put the new one on. All right, you guys, so putting the final screw on the new one. And these are the original screws. The new screws are a little bit smaller, so I just don't want it to get in there and then it just start falling in. So I'm gonna put the original screws on, and it don't really matter because no one will ever come up here and look at this unless you have a ladder. All right, so I adjusted the ball to be up a little bit, just like this old one right here, and we're gonna push it in, and it's locked. Put the original back in. So both doors are secured, and that's about it. And it looked like this door need to be adjusted, but we can work on that another day. All right, you guys, so that's the end of that. If you like that review slash DIY or help you adjust, then leave a like, comment, and please subscribe.